let's get hands-on. Okay, so how does it work? We arrive into the room, we are at the room, and then we find these instructions in the TV. So I will follow the instructions. I will pick my mobile, and then first thing I will do, I will get connected to Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi, which is showing in here. Okay. Okay, we are already here. Next step, I will scan the QR code, and then I will go here and run arriving. This is the landing page in my mobile. Okay, so I'm ready, saying I'm ready to stream the content. Okay, let's try if it works or not. I will choose, for instance, talking about Netflix all the time. I will go to Netflix, and in here, as you will see, is giving me the option of my room, which is Salon 201. Okay, I will be paired, and something is happening magically on TV. It's getting connected. Let's wait until it loads. And now, I will be ready to stream one of my favorite series, films. For instance, let's see, Sex Education, playing, sitting, and getting relaxed.